Today we're making
What is that?
the oven. It's preheated.
Why does it make that noise?
I don't know.
Okay, we get it. You're warm.
We're making blueberry crumb bars. I just think these are so perfect to bring to like a barbecue or a party, potluck, what have you. I just feel like it's really inconvenient to show up with a pie. If you show up with pie bars, you're good. Yeah, you only need a couple ingredients. Let's start. Wow, these are actually really good. Okay.
Really?
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Check. We're gonna make the crumb base. So take a medium bowl and you're gonna add sugar, flour, baking powder, give it some fluff, salt, and lemon zest.
Now that's zesty.
Mix this a little bit. You're gonna take your butter straight from the refrigerator. Good old Walmart brand. If you have a pastry cutter, this would be perfect, but I don't have one with me here in Atlanta. If you're using a fork, just smush the butter in. You might have to get in there with your hands. Also, if you have a food processor, that would be the easiest option. I definitely don't have one here. I don't even have a blender here.
What? No blender?
No blender, no smoothies. It should just be really crumbly. Then we add 1 egg. We're watching Father of the Bride, the new one. So every time I have to speak, we have to pause it. Do you like it?
It's cute.
It's cute. So we have our crumbly crumb dough. We're gonna put half of the dough into our prepared dish. There we go. Set this aside, keep this, and work on our blueberries. Lots of bloobs. Cornstarch, granulated sugar, juice of 1 lemon. So now it's assembly time. Action. Just dump it. Dump the whole thing. There you go. Looks fantastic.
Put this in a 435 minutes.
No, 350 degree oven.
Put this in a 350 degree oven for 45 minutes.
Ish. See ya. So 45 minutes, and then we have to let them cool, and then we'll cut them into bars.
They gotta be cool. We don't want any losers, okay? No.